Welcome to the student walkthrough video for GCSE History, Paper 3, Question 2. We will look at how the question is constructed, how to answer it, and tips on what makes a good answer. We have other videos available for this paper as a whole and also for each question in detail. Question 2 focuses on explaining causation. That means why something happened. You are provided with a choice of two options for this question. Take time to consider which question you are more confident and knowledgeable in. Your answer will explain the reasons for a specified event or development. You should cover at least 3 aspects of content. It is worth 12 marks, so you should be spending around 20 minutes on this, or 25 if you have extra time. Let's take a deeper look into the demands of the question. It always begins the same. Explain why. That means why did it happen? And you need to focus on the causes of something. The question does not require a judgment to be made or for the answer to prioritise or show interaction of different factors. Before you begin writing as part of your planning stage, you should be identifying the focus of the question. Here, it is explain why the Montgomery bus boycott succeeded in achieving its aims. This focus is important. Missing it and wrongly responding just on the topic, such as describing what the Montgomery bus boycott was, or the role of Rosa Parks, Martin Luther King, rather than this idea of success, would be unlikely to achieve a high mark. Then we have the stimulus points. The examiner reminds you, you may use them, but you don't have to. But your answer should cover 3 aspects of content. Then you're going to make your brief plan. So what are the 3 aspects of content you're going to cover? Are you going to use the stimulus points? What additional information of your own will you include? What's your logical structure going to be? And once you have decided that, then begin writing. As there is a choice of question, you will be prompted to select which one you are answering. Here is an example opening paragraph from a high-performing answer. The paragraph begins with a clear focus on causation, one reason. Then they are straight into the focus of the question. The Montgomery bus boycott was successful, ... removing segregation on the buses. There is a wide-ranging knowledge here on economic impacts, which the candidate is using to support their analysis. Notice this language being used to link the details and information used to support the analysis. Because, so, this meant that. And finally, within this high-performing paragraph, this candidate reinforces that they are consistently focused on the question topic by addressing it again at the end of the paragraph where it says, boycott successfully forced, giving it a clear and logical structure. Here are some sample question 2s for all the options for this paper. They may be useful for you to practice. So remember, the question requires explanation of causes of an event or development rather than just a simple narrative or description. You must use knowledge and understanding that supports your explanation, and 3 aspects of content must be explored. Pay attention to the focus of the question. Use language such as one reason why X was because to demonstrate this. Use connectives to explain. This led to, therefore this meant that. And remember, you don't need to write an introduction or conclusion. This means you do not need to write more than 3 paragraphs. That brings us to the end of this walkthrough video. Remember, we have videos for every question for each paper available. More information for students can be found on our website under Student Support. Good luck in your upcoming exams.